everyone, we are continuing on with our animal research task today. So you have just, what we have done as a recap, we have found out our general information about our animal, where it lives, what its name is, what it eats, what classification it's from, what its habitat is. We have then looked at our animal in a zoo and had seen it in its environment. We have also then found 5 adaptations for that animal. What else could we be doing, you might ask? Well, for the next 2 lessons, you are going to be doing an annotated diagram. So an annotated diagram is a drawing of the animal that has labels to point out points on that animal. So we are going to be doing an annotated diagram of our animal to show its physical adaptations and its appearance. So what do you need to do? Well, number 1, you will need to draw your animal. I'm not asking for Picasso, but I would like you to put in an effort. If you would like to trace the animal, trace it. That's fine. If not, go for it freehand. It needs to resemble the animal though, okay? So once you have done that, you're going to draw some lines coming from it that highlight its adaptations and what it looks like. For example, if we have a look here at our leopard. So we have dark spots on its face, and we have a line pointing to its face to show us where its face is. We have got tan to yellow fur with black spots arranged in circular patterns, and then they've used the proper name for that, which is called rosettes. And that's all it's pointing to its fur, so that it highlights that that's what that adaptation is. It then points to its legs, and it says strong legs for leaping and climbing. So it tells us what the adaptation is and tells us what it uses it for. It has long tail, so it points to its tail. It's not got long tail and then it's pointing to its head. Okay, so making sure that where we have drawn it, we are labeling correctly. Sharp claws that keep retracted except when in use. So it hasn't drawn them out because it's not in use. It's just pointed to its paws where those claws would be. Spotted feet and lower legs. So it highlights that those spots that's on its fur continue down to its legs. And then it's got whiskers. Okay, and over here we have the name, which is the leopard, and then underneath it has the scientific name for that animal. So the scientific name for the leopard is the Panthera pardus. So that is what we need to create. Do you think you need to colour it in? Yes, you do. So you need to add colour, you need to add a lot of detail. This is for 2 lessons worth of work. Okay, so don't be afraid to Google annotated drawing of what your animal is. It will help you. Okay, and that's your task for today.